Hello everyone, I am Vikas and I am thrilled to be here with the Smart Intense team. Today we are diving into an exciting project, exploring insights from synthetic airline data analytics with Qlik. Let's uncover how Qlik can transform an airline operations through revenue optimization, operational efficiency, and enhance customer experiences. Let's get started. This project is all about using synthetic airline data to uncover valuable insights with Qlik, a powerful business intelligence and data visualization tool. Let's look at the three scenarios. The first scenario is about revenue optimization. By using Qlik, airlines can analyze ticket sales to identify peak travel times and popular destinations, optimizing pricing strategies for maximum profitability. And the second scenario is about airports can enhance efficiency by analyzing flight schedules and passenger flows, identifying bottlenecks, and improving resource allocation with Qlik. The third given scenario is the airlines can use Qlik for sentiment analysis on customer feedback to personalize services, tailoring marketing, and boost satisfaction and loyalty. These are the three scenarios given for me, and these are the project flows for this project. The first step is about the data collection, and next is we have to download the dataset and prepare it, and we have to make it a visualization by using various quick analysis business tools, and we have to create a responsive dashboard for the given scenario, and based on that the storyboard is also prepared, and after that the project document is being prepared for the whole project. Okay, this is the home screen of the quick analytic services platform, and here I have created the our project app Synthetic Airline Data Analysis, which I have already created. Let me open this app, and these are the three dashboards which I have created. For each three scenarios I have created separate dashboards. Okay, let's go first see the data sets which are provided by our mentors. For this we have to go to data manager. The data set has been loaded, and here these are the data sets, airline data sets, which was assigned for me. These airline data sets was download from Kaggle site. Let me dive into this. The dataset contains the fields like passenger ID, first name, last name, airline datas, gender-wise categories of datas and age categories, nationalities, airport name, airport country, continents, and departure date, arrival airport, etc. etc. And these are the extra fields like sentimental analysis of the passengers and age category, and these are the extra fees which was added by me, and the feedback score was also ticket price and feedback score also added by me, and this I have added using the calculated field operation. Like this we have to add the extra fees. Okay, let's dive into the dashboard section. For this we have to go to the next option, analyze sheet. Okay, this is the first dashboard scenario. For first scenario, revenue optimization, and here I have created all the visualizations for adapting to the scenario. The first visualization is revenue by destination, and it is used to give how much revenue each destination generates, and it is used to help airlines identify their most profitable routes. For this I have given the dimension as arrival airport and the measures as the sum of the ticket price of each passengers. And the next visualization is the pricing trends and the peak sales period, and the it is used to analyze the pricing trends and the identify the peak sales to optimize pricing strategies of the passengers. And the next visualization is the purchasing behavior of the customers and the customer demographics, and this I have given as the gender wise dimensions, and this visualization is about the scatter plot visualization, and the exercises I have given as the ticket price sum, and y-axis I have given the count of the ticket price, so that it will generate the gender wise purchasing behavior of the customers. And the next visualization is about the purchasing behavior customer segment visualization. And this I have given the age wise like age category, which the age above 18 as considered as adults and less than are considered as kids, and others are in the gray part. And the historical ticket sales data, it is used to forecast future trends and improve financial planning of the airline data sets. And the passenger list I have given here national wise. Here the dimension I have given the nationality dimension, and they measure as the count of passengers by the using their passenger ID, and it is used to understand a geographical distribution of customers national wise. And the pricing strategy analysis, here the pricing strategy analysis we have used age wise category and the ticket price as the both dimensions and measures, and it is used to analyze how the strategies perform across different age groups to optimize the offers of the airline data. The age-wise distribution of the passengers was also given by using the bar chart, and it is used to understand the distribution of passengers to better cater to different age segments. This is the frequency chart, frequency of the passengers age-wise. Here I show the data which I have used. Here I have given as age as only dimension, and this is the revenue by nationality. It is used to generate the revenue by nationality wise for the airline, and the dimension here are given as the nationality and the measure as the sum of the ticket price of each airport, and it is used to determine the revenue contributions from passengers of different nationalities. Popular destination is used to identify the most popular destination based on ticket sales and passenger counts. So that I have given the dimension as the airport name as the dimension, and measures I have used as a passenger ID as a measure. And this is the vertical line bar chart I have used for the visualization. And for revenue trends over the time, it is used to track the revenue changes over time to understand the seasonal patterns and long-term trends of the customers. Here I have used a dimension as the departure date, and within that I have used month-wise as the revenue trends, and for measures I have used ticket price as a sum of the ticket price as a measure to understand the trend changes of over the long-term trends. Next visualization is about the top revenue generating routes. And that this is used to generate the most top generating routes on the airline data set, and the dimension I have used here is the airport name, and the measures I have used as a ticket price, and this KPI I have used for the total revenue of the airline data set. This is the dashboard for the second scenario, operational efficiency dashboard, and here I have created these many visualizations, and the passenger flow analysis is used to help identify airports with the high passenger traffic and potential bottlenecks. And in the flight status analysis, it is used to help assess the overall performance of flights and identify any issues causing delays or cancellations by using the three statuses of the flight as on time, cancelled, and delayed. And the next visualization is the ticket price analysis. This can help understand the pricing dynamics and the preferences of different passengers demographics. This visualization is the box plot visualization I have used. And here I have used the table visualization for the count of flights per airport by using airport name as the dimension and the flight status count as the measure value. The distribution of the passengers visualization is used to understand the age distribution of passengers by using the age category and the gender wise. For this I have used the distribution plot as a field visualization type, and this is the NLP insights I have used to get the highest average ticket by continents, and here I have used average ticket price as a KPI for the NLP insights. Next, for the count of passengers, it is used to track the passengers volumes at each airport to manage crowding and resources trends. For this, I have used airport name as the dimensions and measure as the count of the passenger ID. The next, resource allocation for efficiency is used to optimize resource allocation by predicting the peak traffic periods and identify the operational bottlenecks of the customers. And I have used airport name as the dimensions and the count of passenger ID and the flight status as on the time, cancelled, and delayed as the three measures. Next, this visualization is used to predict the peak traffic periods over the airline dataset by using the airport continent as the dimension and the count of passenger ID as the measure. And utilization of filters, I have used two filters, ticket price and flight status as the two filters I have used in this dashboard. Let me give this filter. This is the filters I have used. Two filters I have used here. One is ticket price filter and another one is the flight status filter. Let me give this. I'm selecting these filters so that we can easily optimize our dashboard and easily access whatever we want a ticket price filter. Based on this filters I'm giving, the dashboard is modified now according to it. And if I want flight status filter, let me go here. Three status on cancelled, delayed, on time. These three filters are used to modify the whole dashboard here. Let me give cancelled, delayed. Yeah, you can see here the dashboard is changing according to the filter I am giving here. So these filters are used to easily navigate and analyze the dashboard in this scenario. And this is the third scenario dashboard, customer experience enhancement dashboard. The first visualization is geographical distribution of the passengers, which is used to tailor services and marketing strategies for different regions. Here I have used map visualizations, and the layers I have added airport continent as a chart layer I have added for this visualization. And the next visualization is the customer demographics and the feedback analysis of the customers. Here for this visualization I have used Sankey chart visualization, and the data I have added four dimensions: age category, gender, nationality, airport country code as the dimensions, and the measures as the average feedback score of the customers who have experienced the flight travel. And the next visualization is the personalized service visualization, which is used to market the campaigns based on the detailed customer insights. And this is the normal bar chart, I have bar and line chart, that is combo chart. Combination of bar and line chart is known as the combo chart. Here I have used gender as a main dimension and the nationality as alternative dimensions, and for measures I have used passenger ID count and the ticket price average. And the next visualization is the feedback status by output. This is the normal vertical bar chart visualization. For this, it is used to track and compare the feedback scores by airport to identify the locations needing improvement. And the dimension I have used as airport name, and the measures I have used here is the count of the feedback scores and the sentimental analysis of the passengers. Here, the next is the donut chart, which is used to represent the overall sentiment distribution of the passengers. The two sentiment classification here is the negative and the positive sentiment classifications. This chart depicts that the 50% is the negative classification and the 49.6% has the positive classifications of the customers. And here I have used the funnel chart as the for the flight experience and the sentimental analysis. It is used to visualize the distribution of the sentiment in customer feedback, and it is also used to identify common themes and key areas for the improvement of the airport. Here I will use dimension as a sentimental analysis of the customers and the measure as the feedback score count. And this visualization is used to depict the feedback score, passenger feedback score by flight status. This is the three classification of the flight status: cancelled, delayed, and on time. And based on a feedback score of the customers, we can here visualize the passenger feedback score by flight status. And for measures, I have used airport continent as a measure. And the next scenario is the pain point and improvement areas. Here the negative feedback of the customers are highlighted using, that row is fully highlighted using green color, and the positive feedback is left as such, and the average feedback of the customers are enlightened using red color, and the count is depicted for the both positive and the negative feedback of the customers. And this KPI is used for the sum of, sorry, this is the gauge measurement, which is used to depict the sum of feedback scores of the passengers, and this score is used to give the aggregate feedback scores to access the overall customer satisfaction and the experience. This visualization is the gauge visualization, and here I have used animator filter. We have to go to Qlik visualization bundle. With dashboard bundle. Animator filter I have used for the sentimental analysis of the customers. 1 minute. Here when I click this, it is now showing as a negative sentiment analysis of the customers, and based on this negative sentiment analysis, the dashboard is also changing according to it, and for positive also it will change according to the sentimental analysis of the customer, and for both positive and negative also the dashboard will modify according to this it. And this is the work of the animator visualization, and that's all for the three scenarios dashboards.